Hey, today we're going to open the Brick Headz by Lego called Robin. We did Batman in an earlier video. This one is Robin, his sidekick. Here's the box. There's some of the others. We found a couple of these at a Walmart that had one of each left. So let's open Robin. There's your bag of goodies. There's your manual. Instruction book tells you how to put it together. These sure are odd looking little characters, aren't they? Let's open the bags up, get all the parts out. There's your first bag. No trouble here. There's bag number 2. Got all the parts out. Alright, let's assemble it now.